Hey guys, you have reached Regina TV, and today we are back with another banger. As you see, I am combing out my hair, and this is where we are with our hair growth. Now, y'all know that I just want to grow hair in the top. Usually, I just keep my hair all shaved off around the sides and the back, but because we have been putting our hair up in simple styles, growing it out, this is how much it has grown. You see that? Now today, just sit back and enjoy the video, you all, because we will be putting our hair up again.
You said that you've been lonely, makes you cold as ice. Hard to get to know me, but better than the lies. No way I'd let you slip by. No way I'd let you say bye. You said there ain't no reason, but I'll sit here every day, waiting for the moment I won't feel like I should stay. No way I'd let you slip by. No way I'd let you say bye. Can we watch it fade, fade away? Can we let it fade, fade away? We'll take it day by day. Can we watch it fade, fade away? You said that you've been searching, silencing your mind, trying to be patient, but running out of time. No way I'd let you slip by. No way I'd let you say bye. You said there ain't no meaning, I just wanna understand everything that led us here, the teardrops when I hold your hand. No way I'd let you slip by. calling me. They'll be calling me royalty. Best to give me loyalty, 'cause I'm taking the world, you'll see. They'll be calling me, calling me. They'll be calling me royalty.
Now guys, this is a quick, easy, simple hairstyle that you can do every day, and it has different variations of how you can dress it up and dress it down. This is the Effie ponytail, and y'all know that this is one of my go-tos, but don't go anywhere just yet, you all. I have a bonus for you all. Now guys, you have reached Regina TV. Do not forget to comment, like, subscribe, and share. Leave in the comment section down below anything that I left out that you want to know, and you already know that I am going to answer you back. Also, guys, you know that I have another channel. It is called Regina's Way. Now, over there on Regina's Way, you all, we do fashion shows, home decors, walk the weight off. For a matter of fact, I have a surprise for you at the end of this video. But this hairstyle is perfect for everyday life. So don't forget to subscribe to both channels and support both channels, guys. Now I am on my way to go work out, and this is how your girl is looking today. Look how quick we put our hair up. But I love this Effie ponytail, you all. It is a synthetic ponytail, but it comes big like this. It comes big like this, and not only does it look like an afro ponytail, but you can wear it in a whole bunch of different styles, dress it up and dress it down. Plus, if you add gel to it, you all, it curls up so pretty. So be looking out for the next style I have to bring you all, and I'll talk to you later.